So today will be my third appearance in front of Judge Carter to try to get this in front of a jury. Some people have asked, why have I been fighting a misdemeanor, disorderly conduct, $50 fine? I've already been arrested, thrown in jail, my home, my car, my property, PC, cameras, $20,000 completely gone. Second, it is what they say I did. As a father, as well as a grandfather, that is absolutely absurd. When Detective Carpenter came out to my home in Jefferson County, he was with approximately 8 detectives. Detective Carpenter, Detective Fine, Tuzini, Tufu, and the list goes on. I live in Jefferson, as I stated. These are all Waukesha police detectives in Jefferson. I have challenged the jurisdiction of Judge Carter, who signed the search warrant to give Detective Carpenter from Waukesha City Police to come out to my home in Jefferson and steal my property. They kept it for a year. Not only that, after 6 weeks of not finding absolutely no pictures of any type of any pornography, whether it's child or adult, anywhere in my house, no magazines, no newspapers, no pictures, no DVDs, no nothing of any type of any pornography, and I don't care what it was, it's not in my possession or on my computer. Detective Carpenter filed a complaint with the FBI. For those who follow my story, I made a great video of how the FBI came out to my house and for a half an hour tried to get me to step outside so that they could talk to me, all with their guns sitting right at their side, exposed, ready to shoot. But they just wanted me to step outside and talk. You can see my videos and see how that turned out. An update to this is I had filed in August multiple complaints with the police department and the sheriff's department, the district attorney, and the city attorney against the person, Sean Calderon, who attacked me for assaulting me, mugging me, trying to rob me. That was one of them. I also had petitioned and motioned Judge Carter to put the witnesses under a signed, sworn deposition because the witnesses are lying. They lied on the stand in December, and I can prove it. I had motioned for that. Judge Carter denied my motions. He denied my motions to charge Calderon with assault and battery. I also had filed complaints against the city attorney for witness tampering. I have filed motions for dismissal of my case based on evidence tampering, also known as spoilage. Those motions have been denied as well. I have motioned to dismiss this case on self-defense. I was attacked. I was simply defending myself. I have a right to stand my ground and defend myself. Sean Calderon stated on his 911 call, his police report as well as on the stand, he shoulder blocked me, he threatened to kick my ass, and tried to rob me of my property. The city attorney, the police department states that is not attack. You are not defending yourself, and you have no right to defend yourself. This is the America that we live in today. You have no right to defend yourself. Again, when I was attacked, I did not pull my weapons, period. I kept it strictly hand to hand. I did not see any weapons on Sean Calderon, and there was no need to pull them. You have already ruined my life and my reputation and my career, period. Now, after 3 years, I am still waiting to get this in court. I am going to have my day. I do not know exactly what's going to happen today, so this is why I made this pre-trial video. Again, Judge Carter is the one who signed my search warrant. He is now the one who's been controlling my court date and the schedule and the calendar. I am now scheduled today for a pretrial jury status, and my jury status is for November 8th, 2016. I'm supposed to have my jury trial. I am well prepared for this case. I am not an attorney. This is one thing that I make perfectly clear. I am doing this on my own. I am not an attorney. I've been representing myself the entire time. That is how bad this case is. This is the second time in a 1-week period that Waukesha law enforcement has tried to set me up for child pornography charges. The first case, February 10, 2014, is Frank Murphy's road rage assault. I made several videos explaining exactly how that happened, and in that case, the Waukesha District Attorney and the Sheriff's Department deleted 911 calls from Sandra Murphy. I hired 2 attorneys and I bootstrapped that case all the way to China. What Waukesha law enforcement was trying to do is they were trying to dogpile one case on top of the other case. I prevented Waukesha law enforcement from doing it. I shot down their first case. Now this is the second case that has to stand on its own 2 feet. It can't. That is why I'm not using an attorney, because I don't need one. It is that bad of a case. So, now I'm going to go to my pre-trial. I will give you another update when I get out of it. And they still accuse me of some form of child pornography. That, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly why I'm fighting it. Thank you.